Okay guys, we got a 2020 Chevy Silverado. I'm going to show you how to remove this door panel. This will work for, I think, 2015 to 2020 Suburban, Tahoe, Yukon, Cadillac Escalade, all those things. So the first thing we're going to do is just pop out this piece right here. And then pop that piece out there. I already popped it out. Okay, so there's three 7mm bolts we need to remove. So let's get those removed. Okay, now we're gonna go under here. And there are two 7mm we gotta remove. Okay, now you're gonna grab down here. Just pop it off. I'm actually gonna go over here, grab it. Okay, you kind of have to pull it hard, but once you get that, just gonna go slowly up. You don't have to remove the master switch or the window switch. So when we get there, I'm just gonna pull this up. Like that. Okay. Now this, push down on this. See this one, push out like that. That out. This one's kind of hard to push down, so I just like to pop that off like that. And that's how you remove it. Thanks for watching.